this is the point at which we would do data governance. Okay. Now, usually by the time you get here, you have enough number of channels. Now you have to provide incrementality testing is sporadic. You want to get some cadence to your measurement and cross-channel reads and whatnot. You start kind of like MMMs become sort of like an obvious choice for you to do that. Not, I mean, I've seen a lot of people do MMMs much earlier, but where like for example, Akshay would really struggle to get a universal picture across all of the channels without an MMM being in place. The incrementality testing may be a little bit more sporadic for her. She needs one read across all of the channels. She gets one read, and you can calibrate with the incrementality test. So she might end up finding that that's kind of useful. And so you end up with a MMM at this point. Okay. Typically, what you also want to do is you want to put some governance on top of it. You want to put some program governance on top of it and training, like the training we're doing, so that on an ongoing basis, as people are coming into the organization, imagine a organization like Instacart. There are new folks coming in, people are going out, new executives coming in, and there are new people jumping on the project. It's pretty challenging for us to keep the language, all the language we walk through. We need to be able to keep the language together. Pretty challenging to do that. So adding some training and upskilling can be pretty meaningful. Adding program governance, we're going to talk about what that means, but be able to govern the program in a way that you can keep track of the efficiency of the decisions coming out. It also provides executive command and control, and therefore keeps sponsorship for the program that you're running. Okay, it's really a program. It's not a one and done. It's not one test. It's not one model. It's really like a program. So you're really starting a practice in a program in the company. For all of you leaders who are in class, what you're really trying to do is get like a muscle memory for the organization going. And so you're building a project plan and saying, here's the MMM plan, here's the testing plan, here is the triangulation plan, here's the governance plan and whatnot. So that, an executive who's reviewing it feels like, okay, I understand what Susie is trying to do. Susie is trying to stand up a program so we can do data-driven decisioning and be smarter with how we use data and insights to drive investment decisioning. Okay, got it. This is how it's set up, and here is how it's going to help. And it kind of shows that you are running it like an executive would run it. Okay.